Welcome to Vocablab. Improve your English skills. Here come 8 synonyms for cheering on. Rooting for someone. Which team are you rooting for in the World Cup? Animate. The mascots know exactly how to animate a crowd. Embolden. Emboldened by his friends, he took another attempt and succeeded. A standing ovation. They received a standing ovation at the end of their incredible performance. Encourage. Young adults often encourage their parents to learn something new. Applaud. After her speech, she was applauded like never before. Acclaim. Her book was critically acclaimed. Energize. Energized by my sister's pep talk, I went to the casting and got the job. These were the 8 synonyms for cheering on. Which one of them are you most likely to use? Let us know in the comments and make sure to subscribe to stay tuned.